Question number 21. Which of the following are incorrect? Here all the terms, all the points are regarding viscosity. Now remember, viscosity is nothing but resistance of flow of liquid, and it is the friction between different layers of liquid. Friction between different layers of liquid. It is nothing but a resistance to oppose the flow of liquid. Now look here, viscosity inversely proportional to temperature. If a temperature is low, more is the viscous is the liquid. If a temperature increase, then the friction goes on decreasing. That's why viscosity will become low. Therefore, low temperature will favors high viscosity. This is correct one. We have to find out incorrect statement. Viscosity directly proportional to liquid flow. No, I mentioned earlier definition. Viscosity is nothing but the resistance to oppose the flow of liquid. If a liquid flow is a greater, then the viscosity will be very less. Therefore, this is incorrect statement. Third, the SI unit of a viscosity is Newton second per meter square. This is the correct one. Fourth, viscosity directly proportional to size of molecules. If molecules are bigger, they are more viscous. Their flow is difficult. They are difficult to flow. And if molecules are small, they flow easily. That means viscosity is directly proportional to size of molecules. Bigger the size of molecules, greater is the viscous. Therefore, this is again the correct one. Then incorrect statement is only second option is C. Question number 22. Select the correct statements. Let us see here. Number 1. Now remember, actually the SI unit of a viscosity means this is nothing but the coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity. Viscosity is a better explained in the terms of a coefficient of viscosity. Its symbol is a eta. Eta. Okay, come to the point. So, question number 22. Select the correct statements. Number 1. The vapor pressure of water is also called as aqueous tension. Correct statement. Liquids having intermolecular forces, weak intermolecular forces, have high vapor pressure. Imagine if intermolecular forces of attraction weak, molecules are free to move, they are volatile in nature, they have the high vapor pressure. This is the correct statement. The unit of surface tension is Newton per meter. What is surface tension? This is nothing but the force acting per unit length. Force Newton acting per unit length per meter. This is the correct one. Surface tension directly proportional to temperature. Now, regarding tension, if temperature increases, then there is a tension. Surface tension goes on decreasing. Therefore, surface tension is inversely proportional to temperature. Low temperature means there is a greater surface tension. There is a greater surface tension. That's why this is a wrong one. Then a correct statement are here first, second, third. D is correct option. First, second and third, these are the correct one, remaining are wrong. Let us see question number 23, very lengthy question. Let us simplify this question. 23, a mixture of ethane and ethene occupies 30 liter, this is the volume, at 1 atm pressure at a 300 Kelvin temperature. The mixture undergoes complete combustion with 130 gram of O2 gas, oxygen gas. Assuming ideal behavior of ethane and this ethene, the number of moles of ethane and ethene respectively are. Now let us see a very no doubt here lengthy question is. Here mixture ethane, ethene given. Here volume of mixture 30 liter, pressure 1 atm, temperature 300 Kelvin. Using this condition we directly calculate number of moles of mixture. Number of moles of mixture, ideal behavior PV upon RT is equal to P 1 atmosphere, V 30 liter, R 0.082, T 300 Kelvin is equal to 1 upon 0.082 into 10 is equal to 1 upon 0.82, 100 upon 82, 50 upon 41. And I think this comes, if we take 50 upon 40 means a 5 by 4, that is a 1.25, and that's why this will be less than 1.25, and this answer comes to 1.22 mole. What is the number of moles of mixture of this ethane and ethene? Number of moles of mixture is a 1.22. Let us find out what is the number of moles of ethane, number of moles of ethene. Now how to write the balanced chemical reaction, combustion reaction of ethane as well as ethene. Now let us combustion reaction of ethane. C2H6 plus O2 gas, 2 carbon, twice CO2 gas plus 6 hydrogen, thrice H2O, 4 plus 3 oxygen, 7. Here we have 7 by 2 O2 is required. Then regarding ethene, C2H4 plus O2 gas, 2 carbon, twice CO2, 4 hydrogen, twice H2O, 2 into 2, 4 oxygen plus 2, 3 oxygen means thrice O2, 6 oxygen. Reaction balance. Here number of moles of ethane, let us consider here X. What is the total number of moles of a mixture? 1.22. Let us consider here number of moles of ethene is nothing but the 1.22 minus X. Look very carefully. Then let us see here the next part. Here number of moles of oxygen gas consumed, used, required, reacted is equal to. How to calculate the number of moles of oxygen gas? Weight of oxygen gas upon molar mass of oxygen gas. Weight of oxygen gas 130, and here molar mass of O2 gas 32 is equal to, let us see, 7 by 2 O2 required for X moles means 7 by 2 O2 means 7 by 2 into X moles of ethane plus 3 moles of oxygen into number of moles of ethene 1.22 minus X. We can determine the value of X using this equation. Let us solve the value of X in this manner. 130 upon 32, 7 by 2x plus 3.66 minus 3x. 7 by 2x minus 3x is equal to half x plus 3.66. Let us solve this one. Suppose I write here 16, this will become 65. Then a 65 upon 16 is equal to, so okay, 4 is 0.1, 0, 4.06 is equal to half x plus 3.66. Let us solve this one. 4.06 minus 3.66 is equal to half x. This is equal to half x. Therefore, 0.40 into 2 is equal to x. This is the number of moles of ethane. Now we have to ask here ethane and ethene respectively. What about here? 0.40 into 2 is equal to 0.80. 0.80 number of moles of ethane is correct. Then 0.80 means the remaining moles of ethene is nothing but 1.22 minus x means 0.80. This come to 0.42. This is the correct option. Now dear students, remember, 1.22 is the total number of moles. Now look, 0.70 plus 0.52. This is again 1.22. Remember dear students. Then this is not the answer because addition is equal to not 1.22. Then regarding this one, 4 plus 2 here 6. This is again not the answer, 1.22. Remember, here addition of number of moles is equal to 1.22. Here 1.22. We can also directly calculate, but here double options are there. If 1.22 is the addition and if only one answer there, that will be the correct one. Question number 24. In which of the following cases water will have the highest and the lowest boiling point? Now look here, open vessel, pressure cooker and evacuated vessel. Then this totally depends on the pressure. If a pressure applied is a high, then highest boiling point. And if the pressure applied is a low, then the lowest boiling point. Remember, out of this open vessel, pressure cooker and evacuated vessel, the pressure applied is the highest in pressure cooker. As the higher pressure in a pressure cooker, water is having highest boil in pressure cooker. And remember, there is the lowest pressure, negligible pressure in evacuated vessel, and that's why boiling point of water lowest in evacuated vessel. Therefore, option B is the correct one, highest in a pressure cooker and lowest in evacuated vessel.